on a 2 lecture note, and we are doing problem number 11, which is saying find the equation of a line parallel to a line defined by the linear equation y equal 5. Okay, and I know that this line that I'm looking for is going through the point 3, 1. So first and foremost, you might want to say, okay, basically I can translate that as my line number 1, but I know nothing will be defined by m1x plus b, or b1, because line number 1, parallel that my line number 2, defined by y equal 5, and then you're going to say this line is going through the point 3, 1. And naturally, you're going to think, okay, well, because it's parallel, I know that the slope of my line number 1 is going to be equal to the slope of my line number 2. Mm-hmm. And then you're going to say, okay, what is the slope of my line number 2? Well, my line number 2, because it's a line, is going to be written as y equal m2x plus b. And then you're going to say, oh, there is no x because y equal 5. That means my slope equals 0. Okay, your slope equals 0. M2 equals 0. So then you're going to say, hey, that means M1 equals 0. Okay, why not? M1 equals 0. Good? Let's stop there 1 minute and let's just think about the y equal 5. What I could do is say, when y equal 5, y does not depend on x. What does that mean? That means that when x change, y is always equal to 5. Doesn't change. So if I have to graph that, I'm going to have, no matter which value of x I decide to take, y will be always 5, no matter which value of x I'm taking. Mm-hmm. Okay? So, at the end of the day, I totally understand that when y equals 5, my equation, my line is an horizontal line. Nice. Always the slope of the line equals 0. All right. Now, if I go back to what I wrote previously, I said M1 is equal to 0. So, if M1 is equal to 0, that means y of my line number 1 will be equal to b1. All right. Y equal to b1. How do I find b1? Well, to find b1, I'm supposed to use a point on the line, and if this point is on the line, it will check this equation. And I know that the line number 1 is going through the point 3, 1. And what is the value of y regarding the point 3, 1? It's 1. Right here. The point number 1, the point 3, 1, the value of y is 1. So I can totally finally say y equal 1. And that is the equation of my line number 1. What does that mean? If I have to think about the same thing that previously, I'm going to say, hey, y equal 1 or y equal b1, which is, now we know b1 equal 1. I'm going to say y does not depend on x if x change, y does not. Okay, so I have an horizontal line. And I'm expecting to have an horizontal line. And this horizontal line, by the way, is a 1. And so I'm expecting to have that. Because what do I know about the two lines? Well, I know from the get-go that line number 2 and line number 1 are parallel to each other. Okay? Mm-hmm.